Okay, it's done.
Walk with me.
Where are you going?
We're gonna sit down right here onto my next place. No. Hello. Welcome to Mommy's Garden. Today we're gonna walk out the garden up the dam, up this way and to the bottom, and we're gonna go down later up far.
Okay, check in here. You can open? I'll open it,
Thank you.
There we go. Show the plants.
And welcome to my sun.
So, what is this?
Plants.
It's kamuti.
Kamote.
Yeah, kamuti. What's up?
Kamote is a lava.
This one here.
Oh, that's planting.
That's batong.
No, they're planting.
That's beans. This one here.
And mommy, I'll show you.
Palia.
And this.
What's that?
Let me show you that one.
Okay, what is this?
This is paya.
That's kamatis.
No, this is paya.
Pali.
I showed you last night.
Okay.
Paya.
This one here, pizza.
Yeah. And this one is lovely.
No, that's batong. Long beans.
Mommy, I'll teach you.
Okay, watch out with the plants.
And this is kamale.
Huh?
That's kamale.
What?
Kamale.
That's a long beans.
No, that's a kamale.
That's batong.
That's kamale. That's kamale.
Come here, let's.
Kamale grows.
We're gonna check the eggplant.
Of
Watch out,
course.
watch out.
Okay.
Close it. I'm gonna put this out of it. There we go.
Thank you.
So the eggplant.
Eggplant. Come on. Let's go that way. Follow me.
Okay.
Follow.
Right here.
Mommy.
The eggplant.
No.
Where are you going? What is that?
Lenny.
That's eggplant.
Eggplant.
This one there? That's talong.
Talong.
Yeah. This one talong.
Talong.
This one kamunggay.
Come on, guys.
Yeah.
Mommy, let's walk now.
There's one tangad.
Tanim.
Tangad.
Let's walk now. Huh? Let's walk over there.
Oh, nanay bunga, Brielle, oh.
Lava.
Nanay bunga.
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 What's that?
Bunga.
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 Yeah, bunga.
Oh no, the head is gone.
Yeah. Come on, let's go.
Mommy, can we walk? Come on. Come on, Mommy. Walk.
We're going.
What's that? Almost there to the biggest plant. Come on.
Hey, bye-bye.
No.
I'm gonna end the video here.
And the video, no.
Why not?
You can't.
Go.
Hello, everyone. Welcome to my beauty. Welcome to my beauty. Uh-oh. Go straight.